Then put two spoonfuls of sea salt. Stir it up properly so it's all mixed up together. I'm gonna wash my hands before I start removing the seasoning. So now that you've done that, make sure that you rub the seasoning all over your fish, the inside, everything. Now I'm going to put some fish seasoning in just to give it that little kick, not too much. I'm going to show you a well-kept secret when frying fish. It's very important to heat your pot to 5 to 10 minutes before putting any oil in. Now that the pot is hot, I'm going to put a cup and a half of olive oil and leave that for 5 to 10 minutes. Now that the olive oil has been there for 6 minutes, I'm going to put the fish in. I'm going to let the fish stay on one side for 5 minutes and then flip it over onto the next side. To spice up my dish, I'm going to make a sauce. The ingredients are a carrot, a green pepper, an onion, some vinegar, and most of all, a Scotch bonnet pepper. I've done my onions, so now I'm going to chop up some green pepper. So now I'm going to dice up my carrot. Once you've got all your ingredients chopped up, make sure that you move the pepper seeds to the side because you don't want it to be extremely hot. This is not for me. This is for, say if you're an adult or something. I'm a child and I don't want them to be eating hot pepper. Look at this beautiful fish, all ready to eat, but I need to make my sauce. Now we're going to start making our sauce. I'm going to put a cup and a half of vinegar inside the pot. Oh, look at that, all steaming nicely. Also, I'm going to put a bit of pimento seeds.